The sweet and sour content of mangoes makes this seasonal fruit the star of the salad dish. Ngerujak will not really taste good if there is no presence of this sour yellow. However, do you know what are the benefits of mangoes for health? The benefits of mangoes are good for health. Not only refreshing, with a variety of nutritional content, mangoes can provide a number of benefits that are good for your body's health. 1. Maintain healthy hair and skin. In one animal study, vitamin A deficiency was at risk for severe hair loss. This is because vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy epithelial tissue in the skin and hair to keep them moisturized and healthy. Apart from containing vitamin A, this yellow fruit can also contain about 75% of daily vitamin C for the body. 2. Lowering blood pressure. Eating sweet foods is often the cause of blood sugar to rise. However, this is different from the effect produced by mangoes. A study conducted by an Oklahoma State University research team showed that the blood sugar levels of people who were overweight were reduced after regularly eating mangoes for a certain time. 3. Mango has benefits for the eyes. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two of the most abundant antioxidants found in mangoes. Both are reported to help protect the function of the retina and lens of the eye. The well-functioning of the retina and the eye lens can improve visual acuity, reduce the effects of uncomfortable eye glare, and reduce the time it takes for the eye to recover from seeing bright light. 4. Potential to prevent cancer. In a study conducted by a research team from Texas AgriLife Research, it was found that mango polyphenol extracts can prevent the development of cancer cells. Another study from Malaysia shows that mango peels contain polyphenols, carotenoids, dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin E and various other active compounds that have the potential to be a stronger anti-cancer therapy than the pulp itself. 5. Relieves constipation. In a study that examined people with chronic constipation, eating mangoes was found to be more helpful than eating fibrous foods like whole grains. It is important to note that mangoes are a major staple of the FODMAP diet. This diet is a diet that avoids foods that can trigger gas and bloating in people with IBS disease. 6. Helps prevent heart disease. The fiber, potassium and vitamin content in this fruit has long been known to ward off disease or heart problems. The reason is, the increase in potassium intake will also be proportional to the decrease in sodium in the body. So if you consume enough intake of this sweet fruit in a day, this is very useful for reducing the risk of heart disease problems. 7. Mango has benefits for weight loss. When eaten in sufficient quantities and not in excess, mangoes have benefits for weight loss, because this yellow fruit skin contains phytochemicals that also function as natural fat removers. While the meat contains a lot of fiber which can bring out a feeling of fullness for longer. When you eat high-fiber fruits or vegetables, you won't feel hungry quickly. That's our tips, hope it's useful.